Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering or cutting out in your Windows 11. So let's get started. First, click on the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth icon here. Wait a few minutes or seconds to turn it back on and reconnect your headphones or speaker to it. If this issue is continue, go to settings. So start by opening the start menu and search for settings. Now here go to Bluetooth and devices. Click on your device and select remove device and then pair it again like a new. Next, open your device manager and expand Bluetooth. Search the option of Bluetooth and you just have to expand this. Now give a right click and choose update driver. This ensure you are running the latest version. And that's it. Now you just have to restart your PC and you will see that Bluetooth audio should now work smoothly. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching.